Hello, students! Welcome to our first virtual class, my third grade class. Good. Today we are going to work on actions and talk about past abilities. Great. But remember, to start the class, we need to know some steps to follow the class. Number one, the vocabulary. So in this part, we are going to learn new words. Okay. Two, we are going to practice the new vocabulary. Great. So in this part, I'm going to give you a little explanation about the ability of doing something, right? So we are going to learn how to express abilities in the past, right? And the fourth part is for you because you are going to work by yourself in this part. This is activity to work for you. Okay? You ready to start? Great. Okay. Number one. So we are going to learn a new vocabulary. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. What is the action? What do you think? Any idea of that? Yes, climb a tree. Good. What about this picture? What is the action here? Good. Swim. Now let's repeat together. 1, 2, 3. Climb a tree. One more time. Climb a tree. Good. Now this one. Swim. Swim. Excellent. Let's continue. What about this picture? Look at the girl. What is the action? You get it? Aha, great. Cook. Cook. Good. What about this picture? Ride a bike. Excellent, my friends. Ride a bike. Okay, now let's repeat together. 1, 2, 3. Good. Cook. Cook. Good. Now this word. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Great. Continue. What about this picture? Look at the boy. What is the action here? What do you think about it? Great. Ride a skateboard. Ride a skateboard. Good. What about this one? Look at the boy. He's very happy. Yeah? What about this one? Yes. Play the guitar. Play the guitar. Good. Now let's repeat together again. Repeat with me. Ride a skateboard. Ride a skateboard. Good. Now this one. Play the guitar. Play the guitar. Excellent. Let's continue, my friends. Oh, look at the boy. What is the action here? Did you got it? You got it? Great, my friends. Hop. Good. Hop. What about this picture? Look at the girl. Great. This is the action. Good. Skip. Skip. Good. Now let's repeat together. Hop. Hop. Nice. Now this one. Skip. Skip. Good. Let's continue. Okay. In this part, we are going to practice. So you are going to look at the pictures, please, and then try to think or try to remember what actions are these. Okay, so then you are going to match the words with the picture. Ready? Okay, let's get ready. Yeah, great. Now let's check together. Ready? Okay. Great. Climb a tree. Excellent. Another one. Good. Swim. Excellent, my friends. Ride a bike. Good. What about this one? Yes, play the guitar. What about this one? Cook. Excellent, my friends. And this one is ride a skate. Great. Good job, my friend. You are smart kids. Very good, my friends. Don't forget to practice this and use the different colors. Continue. Okay, after practicing, now we are going to work on grammar, remember? So to start this part, we need to remember something, yeah? Because we are going to talk about now abilities, yeah? But talking about abilities, we need to know something, right? Okay, look at the picture now. What action is it? Yes, run. Good. But now look at this sentence. I can run very fast. Yes, I can run very fast. And what about this one? I can't run very fast. Oh no. But notice that these examples are in present because can refers present. Yeah, we are talking about abilities here, but in present tense, right? Because that is something that you can do right now. Okay, okay. For okay, let's practice a little bit more because we need to remember this part. Okay, as I told you, this is can and can't. Yeah, great. Talk about abilities in present. Don't forget that. Look at this picture and look at this example. I can hop on one leg. Great. I can ride a bike. Good. Look at this picture now. I can't escape. Oh, no. What about this one? I can't swim. Oh, no. Look, we have two forms. Look at here. From this column, this one and this one is in affirmative way. But what about this and this? Number 2 and number 4 are negative. Right, negative. And we write negative like this, right? Okay, look, this is negative, no? Okay, look, notice on this part that can is followed by the action. I say can hop, can't ride a bike. And what about in negative? Can't escape and can't swim. Don't forget this one, please. Don't forget. Right, continue. But we now we are going to see our topic because our topic today is about this. Abilities in the past. That means that could is the past of can. Abilities that we have in the past, right? We had in the past. Look, what about the picture? What is the action here? Right, dance. And what about this one? I could dance well, but it's in the past, remember? I couldn't dance well. Oh no, but also it's in the past. Great. Okay, let's see. Great. Now look, we are talking about abilities in the past. Don't forget that. Could and couldn't, abilities in the past. No? Okay, good. Look at the picture now. I could hop on one leg. Great. I could ride a bike. Great. Oh no, I couldn't escape. Look at this picture now. Oh, I couldn't swim. Great. But remember here also we have this column is in affirmative and this column is negative. Don't forget, affirmative could hop, negative couldn't skip. But also here we have the couldn't with the action. Could with the action hop. Could hop, could ride a bike, couldn't skip, and couldn't swim. Great. And now you are going to do something because this is an activity to work for you. What are you going to do here, my friends? So here you are going to write. You are going to write in your notebooks, please, this activity. Look, but what are you going to do? You are going to unscramble the sentences. Unscrambles means that you are going to put in order. Look at examples. Look at this, please. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. You are going to put in order. Look, the sentences are not in order, so you are going to unscramble. Look at the example. Okay, this sentence is not in order, but you are going to put in order. How? Like this, my friend. I could play the guitar. This is the correct way to unscramble the sentence. So this example is here. So you are going to follow the example to make these sentences. You are going to put in order. So you are going to copy these exercises or these sentences here in your notebook. And then you are going to do like the example, please. Don't forget, this is the correct way to unscramble the words. Okay, my friends? Okay, my dear friends. That's it for today, my friends. Don't forget, my friends, that you can check this video as many times as you want to practice. Okay? And then you are going to do the homework in your notebook. Don't forget that. Don't forget to practice. Don't forget to do the homework, please. Okay? That's it for today, my friends. Thank you. And see you next class, my friends. Bye bye. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye, my friends. Bye bye. Take care.